Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today we are going to be talking about my 2019 channel goals and where I want to see my channel by the end of this year. So some of you may have seen me kind of talk about some of my goals if you do follow me on Twitter. If you are curious and would like to follow me on Twitter, that's all kind of listed down below. All of my social media is listed down below in the description box. But I kind of wanted to talk about it here on my channel because not everyone follows me on Twitter, and that is completely fine. I'm not expecting everyone to follow me on Twitter, but I have to say this, for the first one that I posted on Twitter, being authentically myself, I feel I am more myself on Twitter than I am on YouTube. And I'm really going to try and kind of push myself out of my YouTube comfort zone because I have really kind of put myself in this specific box, and I don't really feel like that is me all of the time. It is me, it's a version of me, but it's not 100% always myself. And that is something that I'm going to really try and strive for in 2019, is just being me. It's just, even if I'm weird and quirky, not being afraid to be myself on camera, not being afraid to tell you guys about other things that I like other than makeup, not being afraid to talk about other interests that I have. I really think that that is very important, and I really do want to be 100% authentically myself on camera, and there's going to be some exploration with that here on my channel. Just so you guys are aware, I'm still going to do probably 90% makeup content because I do love playing with makeup. This is my fun place, but I'm also going to kind of share a little bit more of myself with you guys and kind of give you an insight of what I enjoy and just different things like that. That way you guys get to know me a little bit more, and we can kind of chat about all of that. Number 2, and this one is just kind of a personal goal. I want to hit 4,000 hours of watch time. At the last point that I actually looked at my watch time, I kind of make it a habit not to look at my watch time continuously because it stresses me out. And I don't want to always just focus on the numbers. So I do kind of want to let you guys know that I'm not sitting there going, oh my gosh, my watch time, my watch time, my watch time. I'm not. I just would like to hit the 4,000 hours. I did check it, as I said, and I'm at 2,032, which is pretty amazing because that's like over halfway there. I mean, 2,000 would be exactly halfway there. And I'm very thankful to everyone who is helping me get that watch time. You guys are amazing and awesome, and you're making some of my wildest dreams come true with that. The reason, I'm gonna be honest, the reason I want to hit my watch time is because I do want whatever I make here on YouTube to really be kind of my spending money for things for my channel, for giveaways for you guys, for the makeup products that I buy and things like that, because I have purchased way too much with my own income and things like that, and so that's partially why I'm on a low buy this year. But I also think that it's important to have some kind of money generated here so that not only can I give back to you guys, but that I can get better equipment, that I can get better lighting, that I can really enhance what my channel is. Number 3, and this one I've already kind of started, I want to shout out smaller YouTubers, and by smaller YouTubers I mean anyone with 5,000 subscribers or less. That is where I'm kind of cutting it off, is at 5,000 subscribers. I'm going to be showcasing some very small ones in the beginning, some that I really think need more people watching. I really want to show my subscribers other people that they can watch, especially if I'm not doing something that they need and I find somebody who's doing what they're looking for. I think that's very important because we all have our own makeup and skincare and just different needs, as well as kind of showcasing a vast variety of people with different skin tones and kind of showing different channels that I watch, because I don't just watch makeup and beauty. I watch lifestyle channels. I watch all kinds of different channels, and each of these creators has something amazing to offer, and a lot of them are very, very talented. I'm going to be posting this on my Twitter as well as in the community tab here on my channel, because I want you guys to be able to see it wherever you are following me, and hopefully you will go check out these other channels because they really do deserve it. Number 4, and this is a big one for me, I want to be more organized. If I could show you guys this room and not be completely embarrassed, you guys would see how haphazard it is and just how crazy it is. I am somebody who enjoys doing crafts and being a very creative person. And because of that, I tend to have 500 projects out at once. I tend to have makeup all over my table. And that's something that I'm really going to try and work on. Just because I've noticed the clutter is starting to get to me. I'm starting to get to that point in my life where I want to be less cluttered. And so I might be doing various purges and things, but I'm really going to be trying to be more organized. And that's even with my channel as a whole. I really want to make sure that I am as educated as I can be on the things that I'm talking about. That way I'm not every 2 seconds. I mean, you can expect an every now and then, but I'm really trying to make sure I have what I want to say in my mind and be really focused on the things that I'm going to be talking about this year, because I think it is very important and I want to make sure that my point is getting across. Number 5, I want to do more videos that I have fun doing and not worry all about the views. Yes, there are going to be videos I do because you guys request them or want to see them, but there are also videos that I want to do that I've been too afraid to do because I've been worried, oh, nobody's gonna watch this, nobody's gonna care. But then Smoky Glow talked about this in a video and it really hit home for me. It was really one of the points in her video that I really, really thought about and really kind of considered, and it made me realize that I should be doing those videos because I enjoy them. I'm important as a person, and what I enjoy is also important, and this is my channel and I can post and film those things that I want to, and that has taken a weight off of my shoulders. I felt all of this pressure to be a certain kind of YouTuber and to have these certain expectations and standards of what I can talk about, and hearing her say that and hearing her that she wants to do that for her channel when she has 16,000 subscribers as a smaller YouTuber, as somebody with only 1,000 subscribers, and it just kind of took a weight off my shoulders and it made me feel light. And I'm going to be filming some things that are going to be a little bit different this year, but I think you guys are going to enjoy them. Number 6, I'm going to be more opinionated. Yes, in the past I have posted some opinionated videos, but I think it's important for me to get my view and my thoughts out there. And I think it's really going to help my channel and kind of set a focus for my channel, because this past year I've kind of felt all over the place and I haven't been as opinionated. I've been afraid to be opinionated, but I don't think having an opinion on things is a bad thing. I don't think having people disagree with my opinion is a bad thing, or agree with my opinion is a bad thing. I think I want to open up some discussions in my comment section and just kind of have people's thoughts about things that are going on in the beauty community, that are going on in the world, that are just things that are on my mind. So a lot of my chit chat get readies with me are going to be me talking about things. And if there's anything you would like to hear my opinion on or me to talk about, please leave that in the comment section down below. I already have a few ideas of things I want to talk about, but I would like to hear what you guys would like me to talk about as well. That way I have a vast variety of topics and things, and I'm planning on doing Chit Chat Gets Ready with me at least twice a month. There might be more, it just depends on what happens. It depends on how opinionated I am and how angry I am. I think I've noticed that on my opinionated videos, people really enjoy when I'm ranting or I'm heated, and they just kind of like to see that, which I think is funny because that's been kind of a side of me that I've been afraid to show, but you guys seem to like it. So you'll have to let me know what you would like me to talk about down below. Number 7, and this is kind of one that either people really enjoy or people don't like at all, but I would like to collab more. And I'm not necessarily collabing to get more subscribers. That's not my goal with collabing. When I collab with people, I don't care what your numbers are. I really don't. You could have 1 million subscribers, and if you agree to collab with me, wow. Or you could have 2 subscribers, but if you ask me to collab, most likely I'm going to say yes, unless I already have something going on or I really just cannot collab, or if you're just a horrible person, but that hasn't happened yet. Everyone I've met has been pretty amazing and pretty awesome. I just want to collab because I want to help others grow, and I find collabing just to be so much fun. And I already have a few collabs planned, and I am looking forward to doing those collabs, to collabing with new people, to collabing with old friends, just all of that. Number 8 is more about my makeup collection. I would actually like to kind of half my makeup collection if I could. I am planning a declutter series where I declutter 1 to 10 items. I can declutter more than 10, but I just kind of capped it at 10 because that's what made me feel comfortable. I really just want to kind of focus on not having a ton of items, and I know that that's going to rub some people the wrong way because they want to see reviews. I'm not saying I'm going to completely stop buying makeup, because I'm not. I'm on a low buy this year. I'm not on a no buy. And with that, I feel like there are some makeup items in my collection that I need to purge and get rid of. So I really do want to pare down my makeup collection. Number 9 is more about subscribers. I would love to hit 2,500 subscribers by the end of 2019. I feel like I can do it. I feel like with the content I'm planning on putting out, with everything that I'm working on for this channel, I think I can really achieve that. And I would really love it if you guys would help me with that goal. You all have been so awesome and so supportive, and I just would love to see that happen for me. I'm not expecting, if I don't hit 2,500 subscribers, I'm not going to be crushed. It's kind of a lofty goal. I mean, it's like 1,500 subscribers I need to gain within a year. But I feel like I can do it, and I feel like it is a good goal to have, and sometimes it's good to set your sights really high, and even if you don't achieve it, you can learn something from what you've done, and that's kind of really what I want to focus on. I want to know what kind of content you guys want me to put out. I want to know what you're liking about my channel, what you're not liking about my channel, and feel free to leave that in the comment section down below, or you can DM me on Instagram or Twitter if you're not comfortable with that. I just really kind of want to change some of the things on my channel and just kind of be really me, as well as kind of having those things that you guys want to watch mixed with some of the stuff that I want to film. Number 10, I just want to have a good time on my channel. I want it to continue to be the fun hobby that it is. And the moment that this becomes work for me, I don't think I'm going to love it anymore. I love filming videos, you guys. That is why you see so many videos on my channel. That is why I film so many videos. When I'm not filming, I miss it. I have so much fun doing this, and I am so thankful for everyone who has subscribed to my channel, who watches my videos. You guys are just so awesome, and I'm so appreciative of everything you've done for me and for every video that you guys watch, comment on, like, share. I mean, there's some times where I'm like, whoa, that video got shared how many times? Like, even if it's just 10, it's amazing to me. I get super excited when my videos go over 50 views. I know that's kind of weird, but like, my channel doesn't always get the most views, and that's something I'm also going to be working on. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you enjoy my goals for 2019. I am very excited to see what happens this year and to see where things go. Well, thank you guys again. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Also, feel free to leave any comments, suggestions, things you'd like to see different on my channel, things that you would like to see on my channel down below in those comments. Thank you again, and bye!